Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to add colorful images to parts of an image. For example, I'm going to take the guitar and fill it with these colorful flowers. So before getting started, you do want to make sure you go to Window, make sure that the Tools and Layers window is showing. I'm going to go to the Tools window and select the Quick Selection tool. So you know, there are several tools that are hidden behind each of these tools if you hold the mouse down. I'm going to go ahead and select the guitar, and as you can see, part of her arm has been selected. So to deselect the arm, I'm going to go ahead and choose the Alt key of the keyboard, and I'm going to start selecting that arm because I do not want the arm selected. I'm going to go back with the Shift key to get anything that was deselected on that guitar. So as you can see, the guitar is selected really good. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the lasso tool, and it's going to allow me to grab that shape. So I'm going to click on the mouse and start dragging it, and I'm going to do it until the flowers appear, and then I'm going to drag down and let go. I'm going to go ahead and move it until I have parts of the flower that is kind of interesting. So with that selection, I will do Edit, Copy. I will go back to the guitar and choose Edit, Paste. I'm going to zoom in because I like to see things close up. So I will click on the Zoom tool. I will make sure the plus sign of the Zoom tool is selected and click down to zoom in. As you can see, her arm has a little bit of the flowers around it. So I will go to the Eraser tool. If you need to make the eraser smaller, go up to the top and resize that eraser. So I'm going to go ahead and start erasing and cleaning that up. I'm now going to go to the Layers window. In this case, it's Layer 1, and where it says Normal, I'm going to click on that drop-down arrow and start experimenting until it looks more natural and more interesting. Be right back. I like the results of Overlay. I'm now going to go to View Actual Pixels so you can see the final product. Once you're happy, go ahead and save it in a special way. If you want to come back and re-edit for any reason, you would make sure you do File Save As. Make sure you keep it as a Photoshop and click Save, and then OK. When you're ready to save it so others can view it, you choose File, Save As, change it from Format Photoshop to a JPEG, and I will call this Final Guitar, and then click OK. This concludes the session on how to add color to objects in a photo. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.